price manipulation. Now, an interesting observation, if you think about it, is check this out. You know, just this week we had new additions to the Dow. In actuality, what they did is they took out Altria, Philip Morris, and they took out Honeywell. And whatever reasons they might give, they say Honeywell is not representative of the fact that the world has changed and is not as industrial as it is. Whatever. And they also, the other explanation was that Philip Morris or Altria was breaking down its into different subsidiaries, so it did not count as a big whole. Whatever. Point of it is that they put a commodity play, Chevron, for a reason, and they also put Bank of America. Now, with all the subprime mess, why would they do this now? You think about this, really. Why would they put a company that just about to buy Countrywide Financial with all this subprime mess? I mean, why would they do that unless they know something? Think about this. Okay, now let's see what happened this week. Now, on the very same week that they add Chevron, do you notice that crude oil makes a new high? On the very week after adding Chevron, crude oil jumps to a new high. This being an election year, you have to wonder who is pulling strings to make sure the economy looks good for the voters out there. It's what I'm saying. I'm just saying it. But we're at new highs the very same week we add Chevron to the Dow. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it seems to be kind of interesting observation. And don't forget that if crude oil is to move higher, which I think it has a good chance of doing that with this breakout, it can very, very easily in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, go and hit the 120, 115 level on this price channel here. Now you might say, how does that play? But the thing is, you want to move the Dow, and as the Dow goes, so does the market. It doesn't matter what's moving the Dow. And then another thing is that you notice that on Friday, this is a three-day 5-minute chart. On Friday we had this, somebody was buying the market, and we stayed around 100 points down for most of the day, and somebody was buying this market for hours. Every time the market would drop, they would be buying and buying and supporting this market. And then the moment this cracked, and I do mean the moment, we made a low right here, and we are going to be trading lower for the day. I want you to watch what the CNBC comes out with the news about the possibility of a bailout plan for troubled bond insurers, and the market just jumps. I mean, so somebody was playing this right here. Now you wonder who knows about the possibility of news coming out. There are secretaries out there who have to type stuff. There are lawyers out there who have to type stuff and come up with plans and all this. People know this stuff. You might not know, you and I might not know, but people on the streets know what's going on before it becomes headline news. So I'm thinking there's some manipulation going here. So now what's the point is Bank of America is added to the index on the very week the financials might be making a low. Think about that. Somebody wants to move the Dow. All right.